Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by capturing clean data. Use a cardioid USB mic in a quiet room and set 44. 148K Hz. This preserves clarity. Record 100 to 500 short phrases, each 3 to 6 seconds, varying pitch and cadence so the model learns natural intonation. Once done, export all takes as 16-bit WAV and keep mic distance and gain consistent. This prevents artifacts and trains reliable timbre. Make sure to label files clearly. That speeds the next steps. Now you'll prepare alignment and model training. Use forced alignment to map phonemes to audio so the TTS learns timing. This step improves natural pauses. Select a neural TTS backbone, Tachytron 2 or Fast Speech 2, and fine-tune on your dataset with low learning rate and data augmentation like noise or pitch shifts. Once training converges, export MEL spectrogram to waveform with a vocoder such as Hi-Fi GAN. Make sure to monitor loss and listen to validation samples frequently so you can catch our finish by polishing prosody and deploying. You'll add control tokens for pitch and speaking rate to match Google Assistant's cadence, then export a quantized model for low-latency inference and serve via REST or SDK. Test end-to-end interactions to tune SSML parameters. If you hear metallic or robotic artifacts, retrain the vocoder with more samples and stronger regularization, or increase dataset diversity. That usually fixes timbre issues. Finally, log edge cases so you can iterate without breaking live traffic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.